50 meters away from the existing facility. That's very good. Thank you. So guys, what I will do?
Shamir, sorry, where is your site office location?
What?
Yeah,
Site office location. Where are the people is now site will be the site office, right?
yeah.
Let me. Can I request take control? Can I take control?
Is that yes,
Can you give me control? He's the admin. So.
Okay. No, you're okay. Now I will open from my side. I will share my screen. Okay, I will share my screen. 1 minute.
Oh, you have the site camp plus your site office.
Lay down area, maybe you must have lay down
site
area.
office. Something will be there, right?
Rest area will be there.
So because people will more of that.
Can you see my screen? Can you see my
Yes,
screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Here our block working area. Here our block. Okay. And our site office here. And this is.
Oh, quite far.
Okay. So people will stay in the site office only. Okay.
And we have. And also we have inside the block. Okay. It's like a rest area, welfare area here. Okay. Here. Inside the block.
Okay.
It's only rest area.
Lay down area.
Okay.
And there is two rest centers.
Yes.
Rest center business.
So during the break times, the people for resting
okay.
for that area coming.
Okay.
We have just tents here, but not site offices. Yani. Offices here in this one, in P1 camp.
Okay. So when we say, maybe I don't know, I will ask the same question. See,
Your
most
voice
of
is so much far. I cannot hear you properly.
so we all speaker is okay. Okay. Sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Now the concern is, see, when we say about 50 to 100 people at site, so they will be sitting in the site office, right?
No, we have shelter area. This site office for staff, okay? We have rest area here. We have tent, 2 tent, big tent.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So-
Our people in the rest area, actually, with now rest time, we are taking them to their camp actually because of 3 hours. But later, after 3 hours will be finished, they have 1 hour. 1 hour they will be rested in the tent area.
Okay, so
It's
they have the
AC
rest
area.
area. There is no sort of temporary office or construction office, something there in the site, right? Nothing is there. Rest area is there.
Today, tomorrow morning, inshallah, we will offload 3 caravan actually here in this area also.
Okay, okay.
It will be like a satellite office.
So the thing is why? Because most of the people are away from the existing. It is not, even the rest area, it is not next to the north side, right?
Yeah,
It is the south.
Yeah,
So
correct, yeah.
people are away. Even something happens,
No
who is
impact.
the movement only that will impact them?
Away. Actually, it's out of our limit of work. Actually, also, it's out of our
Yeah.
limit of work.
Yeah,
Our
okay.
limit of work somewhere here. And I will show you one drawing. Actually, 1 minute.
Engineer, if you can show the drawing with the zone, it will give more clarity.
1 minute.
So we want to know either if something happens in this process facility, okay, not happen, but if
Yeah.
something happens, our people are away from the actual. Yeah.
So this is our okay. See here. Our limit of work here. Okay. Our rest area somewhere here outside of the block, outside of the construction area.
So Amir, I'm able to see some color code.
Yes.
The green color code, orange color code, yellow color code. So orange color code is very close to the facility, right?
Think one.
Pink one.
Rest area, welfare area. It's welfare area actually.
This
Which
28.
So,
28 to the facility.
if you will
Your voice.
You are, I think you have to start the speaker only because it is a speaker is working. So you only can
Yeah, engineer, from 28 to the facility here, 400 meter. It's here in the drawing. It shows it's not. This is not the facility area. It's not the facility area here.
Okay, Amir, I think now it is clear. I mean, you have done the.
Just to clarify,
Yeah.
the color coding here, it's what is the progress of work?
Really?
Where are they? And معلش, can you go back to the previous drawing لو سمحت يا أحمد؟ أيوه. So you can see that the green is already in the second layer of filling.
Oh.
The pink is ongoing. Removal of
Okay.
that is the one with the light green.
Okay.
And filling ongoing and pink.
Yeah, yeah.
So they fill, and why we can see this depends on where is the roads, the accessibilities, so they don't spread all the trailers.
Slowly they're moving.
Yes, among other places, based on wherever they remove the sabta, and what is the every day they have a traffic plan. They do a traffic plan with the proper barriers to have an access and exits to limit the amount of people and the accessibilities and the exits of those movement of trailers.
Good, guys. So good. I mean, now it is clear to us. So what we'll do, we'll share my screen. And as we have seen and explained by